equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Lenovo IdeaPad the 5th of May experience issues with its LCD cover and screen, often due to accidental drops or pressure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage, affecting your ability to use the device effectively. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover and screen. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the damaged LCD cover and screen. You will need to disconnect the battery first to avoid any electrical issues. Remove the screws holding the screen in place, and gently lift it away from the device. Be cautious of any cables attached to the screen, disconnect them carefully. Now, take your new screen and align it with the connectors, ensuring a snug fit. Replace the screws to secure it in place, and reconnect the battery. Before closing the device, power it on to verify that the new screen is functioning correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a protective case for your laptop and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.